We know Toyota's Gazoo Racing GR division has steadily been redefining what a modern sports car can be. From the legendary GR Supra to the driver-focused GR86 Toyota has proven it can deliver cars that balance performance, reliability, and everyday usability. Now, the automotive world is buzzing about the Toyota GR GT, the latest high-performance machine that promises to take the GR philosophy to the next level. What makes the GR GT special isn't just its badge, it's the engineering behind it. Every component, from the chassis to the engine, suspension, aerodynamics, and electronics, has been meticulously designed to deliver an exhilarating driving experience. Lightweight construction, precise handling, turbocharged powertrains, and advanced driver-focused technology combined to make a car that's as thrilling on winding roads. In this video, we watched 7 key engineering highlights that define the GR GT, showing how Toyota is blending cutting-edge technology and racing know-how and thoughtful design to create a sports car those enthusiasts will truly love. Let's watch. 1. Lightweight chassis and body structure. One of the core focuses of the GR GT is weight reduction. Toyota understands that every kilogram matters when it comes to performance, handling, and responsiveness. The GR GT is expected to feature a combination of high-strength steel, aluminum, and carbon fiber reinforced components to achieve a lightweight yet rigid chassis. A lighter structure improves cornering agility, braking performance, and acceleration. Unlike larger, heavier sports cars, the GR GT's chassis is designed to make the car feel nimble and communicative. Engineers have reportedly worked to optimize the center of gravity, placing heavier components such as the engine, transmission, and battery low in the frame. This enhances stability and reduces body roll during aggressive maneuvers. Additionally, crash safety is not sacrificed for weight. Toyota's engineering team uses crumple zones and reinforced pillars strategically, maintaining modern safety standards while keeping overall mass low. 2. Engine and powertrain options. At the heart of the GR GT is its engine, designed to deliver a blend of excitement and reliability. While exact specifications are still emerging, leaks suggest the GR GT will feature a turbocharged inline-4 or a naturally aspirated inline-6, depending on the variant. Both engines are engineered for responsiveness, torque delivery, and high-rev performance. The powertrain is expected to be paired with a manual transmission for purists, along with an optional automatic or dual-clutch setup for broader accessibility. Engineers reportedly focused on reducing rotational mass and optimizing gear ratios to maximize both acceleration and top-end performance. Toyota's GR division is also known for tuning engines for linear throttle response, ensuring that the car reacts predictably to driver input. Whether tackling tight mountain roads or the track, this attention to power delivery makes the GR GT feel connected and alive. 3. Suspension and handling engineering. A lightweight chassis and powerful engine are only part of the story. The GR GT's suspension is being engineered for precision handling and road-hugging stability. Engineers have reportedly fine-tuned spring rates, damping characteristics, and anti-roll bars to strike a balance between comfort and performance. Adjustable dampers may also be offered, allowing drivers to switch between softer street settings and stiffer track-focused modes. Weight distribution is a critical factor in handling, and the GR GT appears to aim for a near-perfect 50-50 balance, ensuring neutral cornering behavior. Coupled with lightweight wheels and performance tires, the car is designed to stick to the road with confidence. 4. Aerodynamics and downforce. Aerodynamics play a huge role in modern sports car performance, and the GR GT seems to take this seriously. From the front splitter and side skirts to the rear diffuser and integrated spoiler, every element is designed to improve airflow, reduce drag, and increase downforce. Reports suggest the GR GT uses active aerodynamic elements, allowing the car to adjust spoilers or flaps dynamically depending on speed and driving conditions. This means high-speed stability is maintained without compromising fuel efficiency or low-speed maneuverability. The emphasis on aerodynamics also improves braking stability and cornering grip. By generating downforce, the car remains planted at higher speeds, giving drivers confidence when pushing limits. Unlike some hypercars that prioritize flashy looks over functionality, Toyota's GR GT appears engineered with performance-first aerodynamics, proving that every curve and vent has a purpose. 5. Braking system, power, and handling are only effective if the car can stop safely and confidently. The GR-GT reportedly features a high-performance braking system with ventilated discs, multi-piston calipers, and advanced brake-by-wire technology in certain trims. The brakes are designed for fade resistance during aggressive driving, making them suitable for track use. Engineers have also focused on pedal feel, ensuring that braking is intuitive, progressive, and predictable. This complements the car's lightweight chassis, allowing the GR-GT to decelerate quickly without unsettling the balance, giving drivers confidence that they can exploit the car's limits safely. 6. Driver assistance and electronics. Despite its performance focus, the GR-GT isn't devoid of modern electronics. Toyota reportedly integrates a suite of driver assistance systems, stability control, and customizable driving modes that enhance safety and performance. Adjustable modes allow the driver to tailor the car's behavior, whether prioritizing stability in wet conditions or maximizing agility on a dry track. The car may also feature telemetry and performance monitoring systems, giving drivers real-time feedback on acceleration, braking, cornering G-forces, and lap times. These tools not only improve driver skill, but also showcase Toyota's commitment to combining modern technology with a pure driving experience. 7. Interior ergonomics and driver experience. Finally, the GR-GT focuses on the driver experience inside the cabin. Expect supportive sports seats, a driver-centric dashboard, and tactile feedback through the steering wheel and pedals. Toyota has reportedly paid close attention to ergonomics. Materials are likely a mix of premium, soft-touch surfaces, Alcantara, and lightweight elements to reduce mass while enhancing the cabin feel. Infotainment and connectivity features are modern but unobtrusive, keeping the emphasis on driving. Perhaps most importantly, Toyota aims to create a car that's exciting to drive every day, not just on the track. The combination of performance engineering, lightweight design, and driver-focused ergonomics ensures that the GR-GT delivers thrills without compromising comfort or usability. The Toyota GR-GT represents the culmination of Toyota's motorsport experience and engineering expertise. From a lightweight, balanced chassis to turbocharged engines, precision suspension, aerodynamic efficiency, for fans of driving, the GR-GT promises to be more than just a badge. It's a demonstration of what careful engineering, attention to detail, and racing DNA can achieve. Whether on the track or the open road, Toyota's latest GR model is shaping up to be a modern sports car that thrills, engages, and embodies the future of performance without losing touch with its roots. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Toyota GR-GT, all the engineering details we know. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating content on our YouTube channel.